everyone, so in this video I'm going to recreate Shreya Jain's makeup look which she recently posted on her Instagram, and I loved it so much, so I thought of recreating it. To start off, I'm going to quickly do my base makeup. For that I'm going to use my Fit Me Foundation and MAC concealer. I'll leave all the makeup products which I'm using in this video in the description box below. For my eye makeup, I'm going to use this pinky nude shade and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. I'm then mixing these two shades called Eden and Amber, and I'm going to apply them in my crease. Then I'm taking the shade called Saffron and I'm going to apply it in the outer and inner lid, and I'm also blending it in the crease. Then I'm taking this brown shade called Oud and I'm going to apply a little bit in my crease just to add some depth. Then I'm taking a brush and I'm just blending out the edges. I'm applying a concealer in the center portion of my lid for the shimmery shades to stand out. Then I'm taking the shade called Turkish Delight and I'm putting it on my lid. I'm also going to take this shade called Angelic and again putting on my lid. Then I'm taking the saffron shade which I used earlier and I'm just blending out the colors so that they look seamless. I'm also putting the shades I put in my crease under my lower waterline. I completely forgot to set my face before putting the eye makeup, so I'm just going to quickly set my face with some powder. I'm using my NYX pencil to fill in my eyebrows. Then I'm using a shimmery shade in my inner corner and also on my brow bone. Then I applied some mascara and also some falsies. Then I'm doing the rest of my face makeup. I'm just applying a bronzer, blush and some highlighter. To match a lipstick shade, I'm going to mix few lipsticks. The first shade I'm using is Lacy Luck from Nykaa. Then I'm using a liquid lipstick in the shade called Begum, also from Nykaa. Finally, I'm applying this shade called Floral Pink by Miss Claire. Then I'm just spraying some Fix Plus to set my face. Then I clipped on some flowers on my hair. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.